The most important thing I think for people to understand about a mini facelift is that it does not designate a specific procedure. If a surgeon mentions the term deep plane facelift and we talk about that with one another, that means a very exacting set of steps that we can all understand together. When you talk about facelifting of a mini facelift, you really have to get into the science of what that represents. At Hobgood Facial Plastic Surgery, a mini facelift is probably a little bit more invasive than what some surgeons may consider a facelift. In my case, it does mean, in all aspects, gaining access to the tissues, which requires an incision. We lift the skin a little bit less than a deep plane facelift. I do enter the deep plane on a mini facelift, and I lift it. It's just less dissection. I would say that most patients are hopeful they could be a candidate for a mini facelift because it feels safer. It feels natural. It feels a little bit less scary to say the word mini. A lot of patients hope to be a candidate for a mini facelift because it sounds less intimidating. It sounds like you'll get back to the gym faster. It sounds like you'll miss work less. But the reality is there represents a unique opportunity for some patients, but not for all.
It truly was so beneficial for me from a confidence standpoint in how I looked and kind of turning back the clock a little bit for me. I feel amazing after the procedure. I tell anyone who asks me about it that it's the best money I've spent in so long.